I think so. Double black.
Good girl. Stay. 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 I want you to stay. 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 Good girl. First one was better. No, he sent that. Whew, Chris. Stay down.
That was awesome.
Kind of merge. Oh, okay.
Oh.
2022, we were up here, we rode these. That sucks. That's the only reason to really ride this trail.
Huh?
Oh well. I got a picture of all of us going off it to the Dukes of Hazzard video or that song. I remember being just here. Just the good old boys. Like me and no harm. The car's right up there. Go back up to the car.
Okay, I'll power through and come back. Hopefully I don't eat shit on the jump on that one. Yeah, I think it was like that couple dropped there. Whew.
Oh yeah, there's a couple in there. Couple sheep. Like over dropping a root to a whole bunch of roots.
Yeah. I was like, fuck, here we go.
Looks like you're starting to get blue over there.
Call my wife, just let her know. You're wrong.
Black monkey. I don't know what's going on here, but this is that was the blue off there.
Oh well. These roots. Oh yeah. dicey. She is dicey. Whee! Oh.
And go over to the drops by Cripple Creek if you take it. I think this is the fork. Because Cripple Creek runs into Spittin' Chicklets. I think we want to go this way.
The monkey's pointing to the right, Chris.
Yeah, I just don't know if it's like saying blue and black like the other one. Where are we? What are you doing? No, that's exactly right. Yeah, so if we go that way, it brings us to Cripple Creek, and then you get on.
So we stay right here, and then, or unless you want to do spit the chicken.
No, I'm not going to do it. I mean,
So we stay right here.
What's that wooden thing over there?
Hey?
What's that wooden thing over there?
That's probably just some old dilapidated thing of yesteryear.
I've seen a few things in the woods here from.
There are some big drops over there, but I'm just going to chicken out and
I think
come back here.
there's
anyway.
one at the bottom of this on the right when you go over the bridge and look right. There's like an old, it looks like there's like a ramp to a creek, but then there's no landing on the other side.
Well, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see what's over there.
Come on, bro.
Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo. I hit it and then landed on the wooden part.
You hit that gap?
Yeah, but I aimed for the wooden part because I was like, oh shit.
Right there, look.
Oh, yes, yeah, I remember this.
There's a trail through a gap. A wooden feature without. There's nothing on the other side. Like it's
That
so.
used to be, they used to come there and land on the. I saw a video of a guy do it. I've never done it. It's a bit too stuffy for me.
Yeah. Where did that go? It looks like it just goes
Nowhere.
there.
I think it used to be a trail. But the video I saw was years ago, and they just hit it, ran. And
He hit that. He hit that. Did he hit that gap?
I
He hit it.
hit a gap. Not by choice. I saw it too late, so I was like, oh fuck, and I aimed for the wooden.
So he instead of going straight, I guess he went and landed on the.
Did you make it?
Yeah,
Good.
yeah.
I saw it and I was like, yeah.
You hit the gap and landed on the optional.
Yeah.
That's actually a good idea.
Well, it didn't seem like a good idea at the time.
It felt like I didn't have the speed for it, so I was like, no,
I didn't have it.
I did not have it.
I've hit it before.
Okay, so we can go do Mary Jane.
Yeah.
And then we can come back up the road and get his camera and then keep going back up.
That's good. Here, I'll stop this while we go down.
And we'll stop at the drops for Mary Jane. Show you the.
Oh yeah. Whoa! Oh shit. Oh yeah. Ah. Whew. Yeah. Jesus, buddy, that's twice now.
You must have gone with the roughage, did you?
Yeah.
Shit, okay.
Oh yeah. Bike okay? Let's see.
You got any cuts and bruises away from it after that?
I think so. I think a few scratches, nothing crazy.
You gotta get some elbow pads, dude.
Holy shit.
I have an old pair that I don't use anymore. I want to give them to you.
No, that's fine.
You know, you need elbow pads, laughing, you're fucking killing me here.
Yeah, yeah.
Fucking elbow pads, dude.
I ate shit again.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are you trying to clear those?
No, it was on turn.
Oh, front wheel washout?
Yeah.